In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a sender's details on Revolut Business app. This is useful when you need to verify who paid you, confirm references for bookkeeping, or share a formal receipt with a client or your accountant. Start by opening the Revolut Business app and logging into your account. Make sure you're on the latest version of the app so the labels match what you see here. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard. You might see accounts or home at the bottom. Either option will show your balances and help you get to your recent activity. From the balances view, look for activity or transactions. This is where all incoming and outgoing payments are listed. If you manage multiple currency accounts, you can switch between them to narrow down the list. This quickly filters the results to the account that actually received the money. Now scroll through the feed to find the payment you're interested in. If the list is long, use the search bar at the top. You can type the sender's name, the amount, or a reference keyword if you know it. Using the exact amount often brings up the right result fast, especially if there were multiple payments from the same company. Once you found the payment, tap it to open its details page. Here you'll see the essentials: the sender's name, the amount received, the date and time of the transfer, and the payment reference or note. Take a moment to confirm that the currency, exchange details if any, and the status all match what you expect. If you need more context for compliance or reconciliation, tap More Details or View Receipt. This opens the formal breakdown of the transfer, which may include the sender's IBAN and the origin bank. For international payments, you may also see identifiers like BIC or SWIFT and additional routing information, depending on what the sender's bank provided. Use these details to verify the source of funds and match the payment to an invoice or purchase order. When you're ready to keep a copy or share it, tap Share or Export. You can save the receipt as a file or send it securely to a colleague, your accounting team, or back to the sender if they need confirmation. Always review the document before sharing to make sure it doesn't include more information than necessary. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly find a sender's details, confirm payment information, and export a clean receipt right from the Revolut Business app.